What is up, guys? This is George, and this is the second video of our VideoScribe training series. And today we will be talking about how to add an image to your VideoScribe project. Okay, so let's get started. So to add an image to your canvas, all you need to do is click on this Add Image icon. Okay, so when you click on that, this box right here will pop up, and there are different ways or options of adding an image. Okay, so first of all, we have here the search bar. Okay, so let's say for example you're looking for money, so let's type in money and then click on this little arrow, and then it's gonna show up all the available image from the VideoScribe library. So there are different files in here. Okay. Also, if you want to search for it manually, you can click on this icon, which is the default library for VideoScribe. So when you click on that one, it's going to show up all the different folders where you can choose an image from. So let's say for example we have here, this one, teenagers. So there are different images here that you can choose from. Okay, so this right here is an icon that when you click on, it's going to show up all the recently used images. So I have lots of images here because I have created VideoScribe projects before. By the way, guys, if you're going to be using images from VideoScribe, all of the images here are SVG file. Okay, so SVG file basically is an image format for 2D graphics with support for interactivity and animation. So let's say for example we click on this. We're going to be using this bulb image right here. So if you use an SVG file, let's take a look at the preview. Okay, so as you can see, guys, the image was drawn by details. Okay, you can also use a regular image such as a PNG file or a JPEG file, but the animation is not going to be the same as an SVG file. So let's take a look at that. So by the way, there are two other options that you can add an image. So we have here an option to add a URL for the image, or you can browse your your desktop or your computer for an SVG file if you have downloaded some. But for the purpose of showing you what a PNG file or a JPEG file looks like in your canvas, I already have downloaded the same bulb image, but this one, as you can see, it's a PNG file. Okay, so let's click open. Okay, so we have different options here, and usually I just choose this one, the fifth one. Okay, so let's just delete the SVG file first. So this is the PNG file, guys. Okay, so if we preview, that is how a PNG file is drawn in your canvas. But we have different options here as well for the animation to look more natural. So option like moving the image in instead of drawing it. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so we will be talking more about this different options in the later videos. By the way, you can download SVG files for free from this website. It's openclipart.org. So try to search for the keyword happy. So these are the results. So we have up to 10 pages here where you can choose SVG files from. Actually, there are more. But yeah, there are lots of images here. Most of the time, I use this website. Okay, so let's delete this image and use the SVG file instead. Okay, so when you click on the image, you can actually change the properties. So this right here is the draw time, so you can reduce the speed or make the drawing time longer. Okay, so we also have here this eye icon. So basically what it does is temporarily remove the image from the canvas. Okay, so this right here is the properties icon. So there are lots of properties that you can change from a single image. So again, this is the drawing time or the animate time. And we also have the pause and transition time right here. So this is just the time before VideoScribe moves on to the next image or text file or whatever it is that you'll be putting into your canvas. Okay, so you can also change or replace the image from this icon. Okay, so also we will be talking about the different properties here on the later videos. For this lesson is only about adding an image to your canvas. Okay. By the way, I forgot that you can preview the changes that you made from this window itself. So if you change the draw time, you can see that from here. And if you want to preview, just click on the play button. And then if you're happy with the changes, you can click check button, or if not, then you can just click on the X button. Okay, so this is how you add an image to your VideoScribe projects or your canvas. And then we will be talking about how to add text, how to change the properties, and all other stuff in the later videos. So I hope you enjoy this lesson. If you have questions, just send me a message on Facebook and I'm more than willing to help you guys. Thank you for watching.